fuck a lit, can't fuck around.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Nia and I do beauty videos on this channel. So if you're interested, make sure you guys subscribe and let's get into this video. So first thing I did was start off by putting oil in my hair. My hair is already braided. It's braided in the individuals for this style, and I use coconut oil. You gotta make sure you get your ends, girl. You can't forget your ends. But anyways, the hair that I used is the KNOTLESS butterfly locks from Janet Collection, and I got it in 1B, and it was $12 per pack, and I got 6 packs, but I only used 5 packs and like 2 of them in the 6-pack. So this is what it looks like. It's really cute. I thought it was really cute, you guys. So I was like, let me try this style out. So it has 10 in each pack. I counted it. So the hair you're going to use to wrap is the Outre Springy Twist, and you're going to mix it with the Free Tress Boho Kinky Jr. in a color 1B. Now you're only going to need to use 1 pack of each. So this is the way I decided to do it. I didn't see anybody else on YouTube do it this way. So, okay, so I have 2 ways of doing this. So the first way you're going to do it is crochet the lock into your braid like so. You don't even have to open up the hole or anything. And then you're going to take the springy twist hair. I'm gonna take a little piece. You're gonna break it into like 4 pieces, and then take 1 piece of the Boho Kinky Jr. and mix that with the springy twist hair, and then just crochet it in your hair. And then you're just gonna wrap it, and that's it. It's very simple, you guys. There will be no knots showing or anything. Like, the base of your lock will be nice and it will look natural, is what I'm trying to say. It will look natural. It won't look like crochet at all. So this is the way I've been doing it. I don't know if anybody else been doing it this way, but I'm just coming on here to show you guys the way I've been doing it. And when you're wrapping, it's not even gonna mess up the style because it's supposed to be this messy. What I did was leave a little piece of the Boho Kinky Jr. hair out. I wanted to be a boho look, like had the curls out at first, but then I ended up just not doing it anymore because it was getting tangled and stuff. The second method that I'm going to be doing is just putting the wrapping here first, and then you're going to put the crochet lock in. And that way the crochet lock is nice and secured on top of the Outre Springy Twist hair so that it won't come out. But it's not gonna come out regardless. Either way you can do it. You can either put the Outre Springy Twist hair first, or you can do the lock, or you can put the lock in first, crochet the lock in first. Either way, it's still gonna stay and it's still gonna look cute. Okay, it's gonna look like you actually got it done. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. Like, it's gonna look like you got it done from a professional. So yes, this is my method. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video, and at the end, towards the end, I'll show you guys again how I did it. It's really, really simple. And yeah, if you guys try it out, make sure you guys comment down below. So you don't also have to do it the way I did it. You can also just do the individuals in the front and in the back, and then just do regular crochet in the middle. And you can just do this method like in the front and in the back. You don't have to do this all throughout your head, because it took me like 2-3 hours to wrap. But I like the way the individual looks, so that's why I did that as well. So I'm just like excited, you guys, for you guys to see this, because it came out so cute. It was so cute, and it was so fast and easy to do. So we're on to the last one. So I'm just gonna be taking the Outre Springy Twist hair, mixing it with the Boho Kinky Junior hair, and I'm going to crochet it in my braid. So then you're gonna crochet the lock into your braid like so. You don't even have to open up the hole, because I know that's been a problem for a lot of people with this hair. Like they try to open up the hole and then put the end through. So I just decided to just put the lock on like that without putting the end through, because I was not trying to go through all of that. I'm sorry, but I was not trying to go through all of that. And I also didn't want to like tuck my hair into the lock. I felt like that would have took me forever, because my hair is so long. So I felt like that would have took me forever. It would have worked if I had shorter hair, but I feel like this method is better for me. If you have long hair, I think this method will work best for you too. If you don't know how to wrap, it's really easy. All you gotta do is just wrap it, and I don't know how to explain it. It's just you just wrapping it. Like it's not even that hard to wrap the hair. You don't have to do it a certain way either. You can just wrap it and it will blend right in with the lock, and yeah, it will look so cute, you guys, and natural. So this is the end of this video. This is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this method or learned something, or I hope you guys will try this method out, because it's really cute and it looks really natural. So anyways, I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and so that you guys can see more videos like this, and let me know what other video ideas you guys want to see from me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.